oras daw kasi pipicturean niya sila. Sige, picturean mo. Buhay? Buhay? Hindi siya. Buhay. Saan niya nakuha? Ayoko. Alam mo, ang plano ni Mike ilalagay daw sa kwarto mo na hindi mo alam. Ano kaya yun? Ayoko! Ayoko! Yucky! Buti or sabi niya ano dapat ay! Ayoko! Gumaba! Gumaba!
Tagawak.
Ayoko! Pagkababa! Nagwawalis ko lang.
Turun, 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 turun,
Ay,
turun, turun, turun. Turun, turun.
Ilagay mo sa ano? Ayoko!
You know what I told the boys?
What?
I said, curl it up in the corner of your bedroom
Yeah!
and don't say anything.
You're bad!
And then I thought of a better one. I said, put it in the shower.
Yan. Okay na.
No, here, video this. Here, video. Mother, you have to get on that side so you don't see me.
Look at that!
Kita dito eh.
Oo nga, i-video mo yung dolphin na ano, bumababa. Ay! Ay! Oh! Uy, mo yun. I'm gonna give it to Alat. I don't like it. Give Alat.
Ay, ay.
Give it to Alat.
Turun, 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 turun.
It's not a toy. Di ba kasi mahilig si Pin na ano, ng snake? Hindi kayo mo tomorrow, ay hindi kayo magkikita.
Yana, don't be videotaping that anything that I said to give it to Arlette. No.
Yeah. Okay. You can bring it to California.
No, I'd be stinking by then.
Huh?